Hi, my name is Greg, and I'm a stay-at-home dad.
Hi, Linda.
So check it out. I make cooking and cleaning videos. Now I know what you're thinking. This doesn't look like your typical cooking and cleaning channel, right? That is so sexist. And you know what? We're gonna have a good time anyway. So our kids have been home since the beginning of this lockdown, and cleaning has been a nightmare, man. But lucky for them, I have a pretty strict cleaning routine. Now, I follow this routine by putting it in my calendar on the phone. That way, I just pull up the date and I know exactly what I'm gonna do. So for this video, I'm gonna walk you guys through my first 6 cleaning sessions that I've had on this YouTube channel. And we're gonna do a speed clean, y'all. So check it out. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. You may not learn a whole lot, but I promise you're gonna have a good time. So let's start off with week 1, day 1 in my cleaning routine. So we're gonna start off with the microwave and the stove. I do that about twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. So we're gonna get that knocked out because the kids are at home and they're eating up everything and they're using up the microwave and they're spilling their Pop-Tarts, spilling their Hot Pockets. So we gotta get all that mess cleaned up. Next, we got the vacuuming. Now, I do this every Monday, and every Monday it's the same story. Kids, pick up your toys. Yes, Dad, I'll do it right now. No, they're lying, man. They're not gonna do it right now. You know why? Because I'm gonna do it all the time. It sucks. Then the last item we got is the screens. Now I don't do this every Monday. I typically do this every 6 weeks or so, just because we live in Hawaii. We have a lot of box fans in the windows because it's freaking hot, man.
That's hot.
We get a lot of dust and a lot of bug accumulation. So I'm just gonna clean that up and repeat it again in about 6 weeks. Moving on to day number 2. Oh man, I hate day number 2. You know why? Because it's a Tuesday, and every Tuesday I clean the bathrooms, and it's nasty because the kids like to pee all over the seat. We got 4 boys, man. 4 boys that pee on the seat like a stupid fire hose. Okay, I'm nice and calm now. All right, so anyway, when I clean the bathrooms on Tuesdays, I'll also do the floors, a sweep and a mop, and every other week I will clean under the toilet because it gets pretty nasty down there, and people don't like to clean that stuff, but you gotta clean it, man. My next chore on the list for Tuesdays is the counters and the island in the kitchen. I'll normally do this before I do the bathrooms just because the bathroom is pretty nasty, so I'd like to clean the kitchen first. And this is gonna just be a simple soapy water sponge down, and I'll also clean the dish rack just to make sure it gets done at least once a week. All right, day number 3, we're gonna start off with our weeklies. Now, like I said, there's a lot of bugs and dust that build up on our windows. So every Wednesday, I'll make it a point to clean all the window tracks and all the window sills throughout the house. This particular Wednesday, I had to clean the showers and the tubs. And it sucks, man. I used to be a military man in charge of a lot of people, and now I'm cleaning showers and tubs. It's alright, has to be done. My wife works, she's the sugar mom, so I'll stay home and clean showers and tubs all day. Last item for my Wednesday is a typical Wednesday activity, so I will do a quick sweep and a mop with just a regular wet mop, just to pick up any dust, any dander that's around the house, and I'll do that every week. However, I do sweep every day though. Alright, moving on to day number 4. Day number 4, I'm also gonna do the microwave and the stove. Yes, the kids do make a mess, but yeah, I gotta clean it. And also I do the stove because I make a mess when I'm cooking, if you guys ever watch any of my cooking videos. And also, on this particular Thursday, I'm gonna be cleaning the fridge. I clean the fridge about once every 3 weeks, just because the kids are home. They're home all the time. It's alright, I love them. Most of the time anyway. So yeah, they spill juice. There's a lot of crumbs in there. They leave the fridge door open and the bugs fly in. They die and stay in there dead, so I have to clean them up. Alright, next we got day 5, or Fridays. So on Fridays, I'll do the kitchen countertops and the island again, but instead of a soapy sponge, I'll use disinfectant spray instead. Why?
I put that on everything.
Okay, so while I'm doing the counters on this day, I'll also clean the crap out of the sink, just because, to make sure it's done at least once a week, right? Now it gets cleaned situationally. Is that a word? Yeah, that's probably a word. So it does get cleaned as it gets dirty, but once a week I just clean the crap out of it with a soapy sponge. Also, on day 5, we're gonna be vacuuming the couches. Why? Because I tell the kids, don't eat on the couch. And what do? They eat on the couch. All the crumbs, man. Pop-Tarts, cheese puffs, Chex Mix, all that stuff, all on the couch. Toys, Legos, LOL dolls. Then we got day 6. Made it to the weekend. Yes. So on day number 6, it's normally a chill day, but every once in a while I gotta do something in there, right? So every 2 weeks, I will do the horizontal surfaces in all the bedrooms, and I'll just clean all the clutter off of the dressers, off of the TV stands, and I'll pledge everything down, get it all organized, and be good to go. One thing I do happen to do every Saturday is a full sweep and mop. So I'll do another full sweep of the house like I do every day, and I'll mop again. So I'll do it once on Wednesday, again on Saturday with the Swiffer. My wife said that's not the name, but it's my channel. It's Dad Ventures at Home, not Mom Ventures at Home. So it's gonna be a Swiffer, okay? Because it gets done quicker. It's swift-er than a mop. Anyway, hope you guys had fun. You probably didn't learn nothing, but you probably had fun, right? Woo! Okay, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you really liked it, and I hope you guys all have a good week. Mahalo!